the biggest requests that I have on my channel after the Galaxy S22 Ultra came out is that if you're a Galaxy Note user, if you're a Galaxy Note fan with a Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, should you upgrade to the Galaxy S22 Ultra? Well, in this video, I'm going to try to answer that question. Let's see what it's all about. What's up, everybody? This is the Tech Preacher. So I'm going to do a comparison between the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra and the Galaxy S22 Ultra, and we go see what it's all about. So sit back, relax, and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So if you're thinking about upgrading and giving up your beloved Galaxy Note 20 Ultra to the Galaxy S22 Ultra, look, think about this for a second, right? And I'm not going to BS you here. The Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is a fantastic device with a fast processor, with a bunch of RAM, SD card support. It has the latest version of Android, and you will get support for the next few years. So if you wanted to keep and hold on to your Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, trust me, it's all good. The Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is a beast of a device with everything that you love about a Galaxy Note, without a doubt. So with all that said, the Galaxy S22 Ultra is a great upgrade from the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, but at a cost. If you're planning on upgrading from the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, you need to pay attention to this part. You need to spend a little more bucks to get the extra storage and the extra RAM, since now the pre-orders are gone. So you probably won't see no more perks. If you do see perks, you might see very minimum perks, since the Galaxy S22 Ultra is out now and no more pre-orders. So look, if you did get the device on pre-order, you have to make sure that you get the specs to match up to what you currently have. So if you have a Galaxy Note 20 Ultra with a 256 gigs of storage, SD card support, and you have a bunch of stuff on that card, you need at least a 512 gig Galaxy S22 Ultra, because remember, this device does not have SD card support. So there's some things that's missing. So you have to choose wisely if you upgrading from the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra to the Galaxy S22 Ultra. So since we got all the prelims out the way, let me give you about 5 reasons why the Galaxy S22 Ultra is a better device than the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. So let's get into it. First, the display. All I can tell you is wow. The display on the Galaxy S22 Ultra is on a different level. When I mean different level, beautiful is an understatement. This display is one of the best displays I've ever seen. Now, the Sony One Mark II was my pick for best displays, but the Galaxy S22 Ultra beats, in my opinion, the Sony display hands down. It has deep blacks and vivid colors. It has me sold. The display on this device is king supreme. Wow, this display is very good. Number 2, the design of the Galaxy S22 Ultra. It does have the boxy shape that you all know and love coming from the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. It's a tad bit smaller, so it does fit really good in the hand. On the back of the device, oh man, one thing that I can tell you that I really do love the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, but looking at the Galaxy S22 Ultra has a premium, classy, professional look. And I mean, Samsung went all out with the design on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. It is a beautiful device all overall, but the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra also has a beautiful design. So coming in at number 3, the cameras. Look, I'm seeing some nice improvements overall with the camera arrays on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. The zoom lens on here is the best I've ever seen on any device. Looking at the cameras here is overall better camera arrays over the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. But you know what? Let me show you some camera samples so you could be the judge for yourself. So check this out.
The Chosen.
So coming in at number 4, longer support. Remember, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra came out in 2020, and it will get support for the next few years. But the Galaxy S22 Ultra just came out. It's the new kid on the block, and it will get support up to 5 years. So when it comes down to support, the Galaxy S22 Ultra will be great for the long haul. And coming in at number 5, the new hotness with the latest specs. The Galaxy S22 Ultra has the latest and greatest, the most powerful specs on any device. 8th gen processor with 8, 12, 16 gigs of RAM. It has the latest and greatest. So that's one of the reasons why you might want to upgrade. It's because it's the new hotness, baby. You might want to get it because it's new, it's fresh. It has all the bells and whistles. So that may be one of the things that you might want to consider upgrading because it's the new hotness. Now, as you can hear, it wasn't a lot of groundbreaking features that I talked about, right? And with that said, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is a very good device. It's a device that's very hard to give up. And if you do give it up, think about some of the features that you might lose. No SD card support. And look, man, a lot of people is harping on SD cards. Some people don't care about it. Some people do. Listen, I'm not going to sit up here and BS you here. The Galaxy S22 Ultra is a fantastic device, but so is the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. It's also a fantastic device. So it's not about all of that. What this comparison boils down to is you. If you want to get the latest and greatest, if you want to get the new hotness, of course the Galaxy S22 Ultra is going to be a better device. But is it groundbreaking? Are you going to get 1,000 hours worth of battery life? No. Are you going to get extra features that the Galaxy Note doesn't have? No. I mean, you're not going to see any groundbreaking features on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. That's just a fact. But if you are a tech enthusiast, or if you need to upgrade, or your Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is busting out on you and you want to get the new hotness, go for it. The Galaxy S22 Ultra, it's a great phone so far. Who's your daddy, baby? Who is your daddy? This is Eric the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think. Are you giving up your beloved Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, baby? Are you giving it up for the Galaxy S22 Ultra? And if you are, let me know the storage size. Are you getting a 512 to 1 terabyte? Let me know down in the comments below. Let's have a discussion between the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra and the Galaxy S22 Ultra. See you guys on the next video. Peace.